Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u du. This one we have 1 over s with negative number 5 in here. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. Because we don't have negative number 5 in here, so we divide both sides by negative number 5. So this one we change by u. The s over s we change by 2u over negative number 5. So negative number 2 over 5 I will put outside. U and u we have u square. And now we have the final answer. Number 5 and number 3 we have 15. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.